Okay, so first let's understand the next question. What we have to prove? Prove that two concentric circles. So first of all, understand what is the meaning of concentric. So concentric means this is concentric meaning we have one circle. Okay, we have one circle. The origin of this circle is this O, and there is another circle, both having the same center, both having the same center. So let's say what we need to do, we need to take the center of this these two circle is same. So I think I have to draw this circle by manually, so that we will draw this circle. So this is the one circle and this is another circle. So the concentric means both the circles, the center point is same. Okay, the center point of both the circle is same. This center O is the center point of this circle. So that is the meaning of the concentric circles. Okay, now what is the question? The chord of the larger circle. So this is the larger circle. What is the meaning of the chord? Chord means so like this is the one chord, this is another chord. Okay, this is another chord, this is another chord. Okay, that is the chord. Chord means that is touching to this point, this one, this is the chord. Okay, the chord of the larger circle. So now what is the question? What is the largest chord here? So either the largest chord is this one, or either the largest chord is this one, or either the largest chord is this one. So there are four largest chords here. So this sorry, this one, that touching there is smaller circle, and bisect it, touches the smaller circle, that touch only on the one point it touch. So let me just create this circle more better way, so that we can create it, understand this question. So like this is the one circle, and we this is the one circle we have. We'll take another circle that will be residing inside it. Let me try to move this circle. Is it possible to move? Let's try to move. I'm not able to move this one, so let's try last attempt. Okay, but here this entire screen is moving. Let's one more point. This entire circle is moving, so we'll just come over here and do the Control Z. Okay, so what we will do, we'll draw the circle manually then. That's the last option we have. So let's try to draw a better circle. So this is the one circle, and this is the another circle. So the center point is O here. So what it says that we'll draw one chord. So the largest chord will be, let's assume this one will be the largest chord. So that touches this point, this A and B. Okay, and it touches to this point. So let's assume this point is P. The center of this one is C. So first of all, we need to understand the definition of concentric circle. What is concentric circles?
Center is same.
Both the centers is same. Clear. So now what we will do, we'll draw one this is the tangent. This is the tangent for, so this is the circle C1, this is the circle C2. So C1 is the inner circle, this is inner circle, and C2 is the outer circle. Okay, so what we did, we will draw one tangent. So we know whatever the tangent will draw, it make an angle of 90 degree with the tangent line. Okay, so now we'll take one more line, we'll draw. Now what we need to prove, we have to prove that this line AB is AP is equal to BP. So proof, what we have to prove, is this AP is equal to this PP. This is the, we have to prove this one. So how we will prove? In triangle, what we will do in triangle, we'll take two triangles O A P, and another triangle we have this one, this O P B. Here in both the triangles, angle P is equal of 90 degree. Here angle P is of 90 degree. Okay, this angle P is 90 degree. So if you will see, this is the radius of bigger circle, so we'll denote it as by capital R. We'll denote it as capital R. Small radius will be, so small circle radius will be R. So the radius of this circle is small r, this is capital R. We'll write like this. So in this triangle, what is our base? So we'll take this one, this is 90 degrees, so this is our base, this is our perpendicular, and this is our hypotenuse. Same here, this is B dash. Okay, this is perpendicular, and this is the this is hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular. So we'll write here h square is equal to b square plus p square. Here h square is equal to b square plus p square. We know that h is the radius of the bigger circle, so both the radius are same, so we can write here this is p dash. So we write here b square plus p square is equal to b dash square plus p square. P square cancel, so here we will have b square is equal to b dash square. So this square is also cancelled, we write b is equal to b dash. So value of here b is equal to, this is equal to ap is equal to pb. So we proved that this ap is equal to bp. So what we prove, whenever we will draw a larger chord that touches to the smaller circle, these two chords will be whatever the bisecting each other, it will be of the equal, the bisection will be equal. Okay, so this is the question that we proved over here. I think this is one of the example of your NCERT book as well. Okay, so we will move to the next question. I'll just wind up this one. If you have any doubt,